Ciao, nice people! Welcome on this new stream of game development. Again. Welcome. This week will be a great week for this game because, well, the game already has its Steam page, finally. And the demo will probably be online tomorrow because it just got approved. I just need a trailer and to update the demo and make another final test. But would be nice if we added something more, because the plan for today is working more on the character breathing animation. I don't think it will be easy, but if we are extremely lucky, we could maybe complete this breathing animation before the releasing of the demo for tomorrow. In that case, maybe we could implement it in the final demo. Why not? Okay, for starters, I need to tell the program I'm using the breathing animation, otherwise everything won't match up. So let's see. But that switch is dangerous because it's dangerous because every other part of the game now doesn't work properly. If you want to see every other part of the game doesn't work. This is the breathing animation. I should probably simplify it a little. Also, there's the problem that the head is moving a little too much. The head should move less. Yeah, I should reduce the effect, but for now we want... Oh, interesting, we could reset here and we'll showcase our changes. Okay. The objective is making it work. What you see here is it actually working, I know, but I need to implement it in the base code, and this has an enormous problem, which is the coordinates aren't the one it actually is in. I think I noted it on the small fixes part. Well, after some fixes, maybe that's not small anymore, but anyways. Somewhere around there. Yeah. I changed the... No, this is for the animating the head. Just the head. While for animating the rest, well, for the body, adds a breathing offset. And it's a huge number. I don't know why, but the plugin moves the character like 600 pixels in a direction. Don't know why. That's a annoying fix to do. Probably because no, it has to be for the resolution of the picture. Wait, let me check. Respawn Banter. I guess at this point this is half of the dimension of the pictures. So hero cut. Let's see. Yeah, it's no, wait. It's less. X, Y. I don't get it. They are similar, but this is very different. Oh well. I still need... I anyways wanted to adjust the coordinates of the pictures, because while trying to make an HD mode for this game, the big problem was the starting point of the picture is wrong. So maybe this time we could try a different way to showcase pictures, to show pictures. So, what's the point? I want, when I draw a picture, to remember in which pixel it was drawn. I'm already doing something like this. Well, not really. The thing it's working now. How it's working now is I have a function called get picture coordinates. So every time I want to move a picture from one spot to another, I knew how much I want to move it, but not where it was. So I will take the value from here, exactly the coordinates on screen, which it's the right answer most of the time, but or when I want to work in HD mode, so not always I want so the picture needs to be a little more on the right because there is even more space on the screen. Or even worse, this plugin for breathing gives us a wrong coordinate, so we need to fix this problem. So instead of getting the coordinates on screen, I will make the program remember where those coordinates are. And so we do a similar thing. We need to save the coordinates x and y for each picture, which doesn't seem that big of a problem. So how should I call it? Picture position rem, not the one from Red Zero, you like remember. Okay, so we need a lot of it's better to copy and paste probably. Okay, so the y and the x and y, not like this, wait, x and y, and then for each other picture. I probably don't need to put them here. So let's just keep it empty. At least now the program knows it's a matrix, an array. Like the sponsor of today's stream, arrayed. No, I'm sorry. Okay, see, here, you see now here I used some parameters when in HD mode because the picture needs to be more on the empty space. How should I explain it? But the problem is I need also to divide by this number when I get the coordinates, so it's a big mess. So no thanks. The point is, I think I should use I'm sorry. My new thing I took from Christmas. The new whiteboard, I should probably call it. Wait, do I still have the scene of the full screen? Well, I surely have one. I don't have one. Wait, I don't. No! Haha! Here it is! I don't need that counter, I'm sorry. I don't need that counter. Okay, so the point is... So, this is the game screen. I'm not good at drawing squares, I'm sorry. And I want to draw the picture at like, let's see, 2020. From each direction. This is usually okay. And then when I want to move the picture 10 pixels on the right, I will ask, let's make 20, I will ask the game where is the picture on 2020, and then from that value I got again, I asked from the game, I'll add 20 pixels on the right. The problem is, if I have a HD version, or in this case, it's more easy to explain than the plugin that changes values that uses different values. That means if I draw the picture here on 2020, it will be much on the corner. I need to draw it like a little more down, so like 30-30. And then when I get the value, I get from 30-30. I wanted to draw this to understand what the problem was, but I'm still not getting what I'm trying to explain. That means that that's way hard. No, okay, okay. For now, we should... I don't need this, okay. From now we should make it work normally. Then we might see what happens with different types of difference in coordinates. Okay? So, first thing is I need to set values, and otherwise this won't work. So, every time we draw a picture or move it, we need to update the values in this array. Picture position rem. Still not the rem phase from sleeping. So, where do we draw pictures? In a very small occasion of ways, hopefully. So, I should also have a function for moving the picture, so we don't have to save the values each time we move a picture. At this point, also no, we can do the picture thing in a single function. I think it will help a lot. I should hide the... we can split it... we can split it... At this point, it's just an override of the function. Yeah, it is actually. It is. So, let's make it one real simple. Function... let's call it God of overlays drawing. Okay, this is the canon function, and this is simply the drawing, the move picture or the draw picture. So the first parameter. Okay, there's a problem. I think that move picture and show picture are pretty similar, except one small difference, which is the name of the picture. Because if I move a picture, I don't need to show a different picture. I don't know where it is. I'm sorry. Draw. We should look for it. First, let's paste it here and draw picture. Hey, there's no drop. No, maybe it's called differently. It's probably around the start. Here. Okay, it's show picture, right? Okay, so we have the basics, the show picture, and here, show picture and move picture. The difference, as you see, is the move picture has one less parameter. Show picture has an extra parameter which says I think it's the name. It's this one probably. Let's see. It's probably the name of the picture. If I don't, yeah, okay, it's the name of the picture. That means this one is the name, and if we tell if you use a parameter like 0 or -1 as the name, we know that it's a move picture instead of a show picture. Okay, so if pick name equal to -1, it's a move picture. Let's note it down. I don't think it's needed. I usually want to add notes, but what I'm doing, I'm looking for the move up combination. There isn't, never mind. Okay, if the name is -1, it's a move picture, otherwise it's a show picture. Okay, now we just need to set the parameters here, probably. So, pick ID. I forgot what everyone was. 0 is probably the corner. We can leave it 0 for now. Let's see if later we need the value. Pick ID. Then it's pick name, you already set. Then that's a 0, okay. Then it's draw position X, let's say pick X already. Pick Y. Pick scale X. Here they're the same, but later we surely need another one. Pick scale Y. Then pick opacity and which is this one? It's the color scheme, like the addition, subtraction. I don't think we need it, but let's see. Pick speed. Okay, we have everything. Let's set the parameters of the function. Opacity and pick speed. I don't think we need also the extra, but just in case, let's add this thing, which is called pick draw type, I guess. This one. And the opacity, perfect. We also need to set this one, why not? Pick anchor, we can call it where the origin, let's call pick origin. It's clear, more clear to understand where the origin of the picture is. Okay. Also, we need to default these values, because if I call the move picture, I don't need to define some of them. Oh, that's a problem. I don't need to define some of them. No, it's fine, it's fine. The pick speed is the only problem, because sometimes, no, when I show a picture, I don't need to move it. So let's default by 0, so it's not a mandatory option. All the others are mandatory, but you just set pick name as -1 and it's fine. Okay. Let's try. Let's replace, I mean. So, to make a move picture, need to set the second parameter as -1. And that's it. It's that simple. -1. -1, incredible god of overlays, drawing everything. Okay. For now, let's keep it like this, just to test. It should be the exact same thing. No, wait, I didn't update the values up there. Never mind. So pick name is needed. Pick X. Pick Y. Pick scale X. Pick scale Y. And that's everything. Perfect. Let's make an attempt. Seems to work. Let's change everything further. So, move picture again. We don't need the name. Tint picture is safe for now. Move picture again. -1. Tint picture is fine. Move picture it is. With this music, it's somewhat relaxing programming. As long as it works. That's the point. Okay, I have plenty of move picture. There should be a way to simplify it. Well, I'm already simplifying because otherwise I should have called... I should have saved the position of the picture every time I moved one. This one helps a lot. Here it is, show picture. I don't need to change anything here in show picture. Okay, but we didn't test it, so let's see. Oh, I didn't want to close. Hello? Okay, it works. It works. The main problem with this was that... where's the common event? Here. The problem is... if I show the hero again... the coordinates... I move the coordinates to make it match, otherwise... it doesn't work. Okay. Oh, what's the switch one for? Switch one is for... this one. I deactivated though. It's for logging purposes, for debugging. Okay, so... let's see. I want to add... to change... let's update the same picture. Just to show what I mean. I'm using the same picture. Again. It shouldn't change anything, but... now it disappears. I got an idea out of stream to understand better what happens here. So let's do a Galv zoom out. Probably 0.3, let's see. So I make a zoom out with the camera so we can see where the picture is actually at. Is it? Let's put 11. No, 11 shouldn't appear. Oh, up there, okay. That's not a zoom out. I put the zoom out in the wrong place. Never mind. Also, why there's a problem with the hero now that I put Leven inside? Okay. Here's the hero. That's how much it's wrong. The get picture. Let's remove Leven. I'm sorry, Leven. Just this time. Because Leven in some way ruined the positioning. Oh no. The head is wrong. Here's the hero. I love though the zoom out. Let's increase it more. Okay. Let's see if the hero wrong appearance. No, it was just unlucky. there's some sort of random. There's some sort of random on the breeding effect start. So we should also reduce that. I'm sorry, I'm removing. Where is it? There's an effect that puts a yellow outline out in my window, but it's really annoying.
Bravely second!
Ooh, Rain-a-Loon! But thanks for the raid! Hello there! Nice to see you there! How it's going? Rain-a-Loon is invading! Surrender thyself to the moon god! I surrender, I surrender! I completely surrender. You're welcome here! And hi to Jane 10 Red! How are you? How were you doing in the stream? Hi there, Amar the Familiar. What did you do in the stream? We are trying to... Oh. I forgot about this, the delayed sound. We are trying to program the breeding effect in our new game, but it's kinda exaggerated and has a lot of bugs. Let's hope for the best. Oh, thanks for the follow, Hamar. Thanks, I really appreciate it. This gameplay, software game development is really fire. You're not that far from reality, because sometimes I really want to burn the computer. That's the most fire you can get. Looks fire. And on the other side we have the true fire. Yeah. Yeah, this animation looks cool, but the problem is creates a lot of bugs, so I'm trying to fix them. Otherwise, the still image works too, but I really want some extra dynamism in the game, after all. So I'm trying to do what everyone loves, programming and math. Well, no, the worst math part I did before. I edited a code for showing a character with some sort of scene calculation, like amplitude multiplied by absolute scene pi multiplied by... I'm sorry. I swear it's for walking animation. As one who did some game design in college, I'm glad I decided to stay in artist. Yeah, artist is way better probably. You do your drawing, you take your time. At the end, you make some fixes. You take a lot of time, but at the end you have a good product you can show everyone. As a programmer, if something doesn't work, you don't even know what's the problem. You might need to throw everything in the trash and start anew. And when you finish, you can't just publish the program on social network and say, "Oh, look at what I draw." Yeah, I choose the most masochistic way, probably. How many times does a friend or family call you when you need help to the PC? Not that much, luckily, because I don't know why though. Because I don't know, I'm not talking them about my programming. But yeah, sometimes my grandma always asks me to fix the the phone. Until I start working in this field, there's no worry. I forgot what I was doing. Sure, okay. I saved each time I showed a picture. The main bug is every time I show a picture, the plugin thinks the image is up there. Zoom out for the dramatic effect. So I should tell the plugin to move down every time I draw a picture, which is kinda annoying, but that's the best plugin I found. So I saved every time I handle a picture right here. That means that every time I move or place a picture, I call this function, so I can safely safely save here each value in our lovely variable from before. Where is it? I forgot. Here it is. Picture position rem. I get to unskippable ads. Oh, it's always annoying. Oh, I should take the. I should take practice on delaying ads because I hate them too. I'm usually the friend who needs tech support. Well, I'm. It's not that since I'm programming, I'm an expert. I always forgot basic functions. I always ask Google. The difference from a programmer and who is not a programmer is the programmer knows what to look up on Google. That's the main difference, really. And has a lot of patience with everything not working, probably. This is an array, which saves different slots. So I need to save in the slot of the picture. So if in RPG Maker you have like 100 slots for pictures. So I will get the parameter from drawing the picture right here. And I need to save the coordinates x and y. So this goes on x. Luckily I already have the parameters here. And this one goes on y. Why, do you ask? For X reasons. I didn't lost my pun skills. I'm sorry. Is being a programmer as difficult as people often think? Depends. Unfortunately, I don't really know how to answer because I personally love logic. When I see some sort of logic puzzle or logic video game, like I loved Baba Is You, when I find some sort of logic puzzle, I always enter deep into it. So programming, it's more like puzzles. Solving a puzzle. A mix from solving puzzles and doing math. And I'm lucky and I love both, so programming isn't really a chore for me. Maybe programming... I'm not doing higher level programming, so you don't need a big expertise just for games. That's what I can say. Still, you need some determination for it, otherwise you get frustrated and you leave. You have to love what you do, hopefully. My game design teacher hated to tell me how to fix my PC every lesson. Especially when I kept breaking Blender or Unity. Oh, you used some Unity? That's interesting. I didn't know it. That's cool. Pretty cool. Yeah, I hate it too when a program doesn't work. That's not really my field. I just program. I just program using basic things like if, else. Right? That's it, really. So when a program doesn't work, I just ask Google and hopefully it works again. Okay, with this I save the coordinates of each picture. So now every time I want to know where the picture is, I don't get the screen coordinates, I get the matrix coordinates. The difference is the screen coordinates are absolute. With this I can try to handle them so it's not messed up. Okay. So let's change those values. We need to get the coordinates x and y I already saved before. Let's see if nothing is completely broken right now. Should be fine. I knew it. I knew it. Setting 0. Because probably I added a second layer in the array. I don't know. Oh wait, maybe because because the first time there's no picture there. There's may happen that this run first and doesn't get a clue what this means. Not a problem. I respect programmers because I don't have enough attention span for it. Well, I thought I get distracted, but the trick is working at small steps. You can see right now I'm forgetting what I'm doing right after making a comment about something. So yeah, at the end the trick is doing small steps. Can you try to romance the weavers using programmer hits? I never thought about it before, but no, programmers, that's contradictory. Programmers are forever alone. I'm sorry. It never works. That's why there's no programming programming reads, okay? I was actively thinking about something to say that, no. That's just like, that's just this way. Okay, the main problem here just was, since there's not this parameter, I can't read the x coordinate of it. So it's simple, I need to check if this parameter exists. How do I check if a parameter exists? Wait. I should check if it's different from undefined, probably. Let's hope so. So, if the parameter exists, that's fine. If it doesn't exist, I just use the basic thing. First though, I need to test if this is the actual problem. Probably. No, that's not the actual problem. Okay, we have a different problem, which I was worried there was. Okay. It's simple. Since it's some sort of linear array, like first value, second value, third value, and so on, this refers to the x value, so the second. And this one refers to the first value of the second value. I mean, like, there is an array inside an array. Here. The problem is I didn't define this as an internal array. So maybe I should just do it before. PKD. Let's set it equal to... Wait. Maybe this is way easier. Wait. This is way easier. Pix x, pix y, and we don't need the rest. That's it. Right. Let's see. Yes! Okay, it works, finally. Show a plush. Oh, we can show this plush directly here. The new addition, actually, it's Nino from the anime Quintessential Quintuplets. I'm really that much into tsundere, so I'm sorry in advance. Oh, that much that there was like two versions of this plush, one with a smile and one with a frown. I took, of course, the one with the frown because tsunderes are with a frown, so and are also frowned upon. So all makes sense after all. It all makes sense. Are you HTTPS? Because I'm without you. I'm and I feel safe with you also. I heard a different one, but it's not more like programming. It's like, oh, are you perhaps Google? Because everything I could ask for, it's you. Or something like that. I'm that bad that I'm also forgetting how exactly to spell all those phrases. Oh yeah, okay. You said it later, sure, about don't feel secure. That's right. Perfect. We still have the problem with the hero up there, but we are slowly getting there. So, now that we have fixed everything, what do we do? I don't know. Oh, thanks Ginny for the follow. Thanks. I knew my charm. No, I'm sorry. I get another. Oh no, that's unlucky. Okay. Unfortunately, I changed by like last month how it works. I tried to put less ads than possible because I hate when it happens. But I figured that it's better to have some ads instead of forcing everyone who enters here to have an ad. I think it's better to end this way at the end. Oh, really? Really? Oh, thanks for the HD. Now I can see you better, actually. Oh, thanks. I don't know what to say. HD for you. I never expect an HDR in this channel. Thanks. I really appreciate it. Oh, you don't have to. It's also I say it too. Also, I don't know if it's noticeable, but I'm not English. I'm not the English first language, and I started streaming in English just in 2 months. So that's usually for practice. Maybe with some time it will get unnoticeable, but who knows? Who knows? With the support the homies. Oh, thanks. You're very nice. English pretty good. Oh, really? Thanks. I appreciate the compliment. Yeah, because I don't know if it's the practice. Because maybe at the end it's just practice. Before starting streaming in English, I didn't feel confident in talking, but I did in writing, so I think also it's a matter of confidence at the end. Yeah, you just wonder, I need to spell this in this way or this other way. At the end, when you start talking, you also forget, in a way. I was trying to stall this moment of programming because now it's the complexity work. We need now to modify something. So, those parameters. Now, every time I draw an image, it will, maybe it's faster if I show this way, in this way. Why the head too, though? Why does the head move? So every time I draw a picture, I need to shift it, otherwise the plugin which moves the image will move it out screen for me. So we need to do some hard math now. Okay, that's the suffering moment, probably. So, where's the drawing point? I forgot. Here. Okay. Question. How did you learn English so well? For me, video games and YouTube. The same way. The same way. Well, for writing, it's video games. I would say that I love visual novels, but I didn't play that many visual novels. But I played a lot of games in English after all. And then I followed a lot of English people on YouTube, and from there I started to completely understand what they say without a problem, and then in a way learning the pronunciation. The more you talk and mistakes you make, the more you learn the language. Yeah, the only problem is if you make a mistake, there's no one correcting you. But later you might realize, probably. I love talking broken French and Spanish with my friends. Oh no, yeah, there's a stereotype in my region where Spanish is just Italian with an S at the end. So, gracias per el vostros rengraciamientos, todos voi la gentas bravas. That's gibberish in Spanish, but it seems Spanish, right? So you can say every Italian is a seemingly perfect Spanish speaker. Okay, I will first start with only one coordinate, because otherwise it's a big mess. So I don't even know what I need to do here. I need to get everything sorted out. Okay, so math. Yeah, math, no, please. Not that much math, but more like understanding what math operation to use. In which order. Spanish is just Italian with an S at the end, you better lock your doors tonight. Younger than the entire Spanish population. Don't worry, we have a double door. But mosquitoes still enter, so I don't think that's the main problem. Okay, the point is here. The point is, I was looking for this other one. Okay. The point is, every time I draw a picture, if I have the breathing effect, I will add the offset. I should probably do this only if that's the first time I draw the image. I think that's pretty smart. I don't know why I didn't think it before. So there's a code to know where I draw for the first time a picture. I should. Okay, so if this and that, we also need to add a condition that moves the character only once. So it moves the character only if that's the first time drawing that picture, which is probably saved here. Here it is, pick present. I need the pick present. And I should probably load it here. Okay. Let's see if that's enough. I hope I'm not getting confused. I think it's fine. Okay. So I need to insert this value, and hopefully it won't move the picture anymore. No, wait. I need to make it a global variable, probably. But this changes for each picture. No, wait a moment. Let's not make harsh or quick decisions. Oh no, but translated joke. Okay, it's a long time I don't read one of those. This is a Geronimo Stilton joke book in Italian. So I will translate on the go, even if the joke doesn't make sense in English. It usually don't, because they're not jokes. They are stupid things. Let's see. Points of view. The mom asks Stefano to buy in the herboristery medical herbs with vitamins for the sister. The clerk asks him, "Oh, which vitamins do you need? A, B, C?" "Oh, doesn't matter. My sister can't read yet." You see, it's just a stupid thing portrayed as a joke. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I'm still less sorry than what I'm I'm still less sorry than how much time it will take me to understand where to move around in this code. So I need the value pick present, this one. So I don't need it to place it here. I need it here. So I don't even need... Okay, no, that's perfect. That's perfect. Usually you need to pass to other functions a value. Otherwise the other function doesn't know what value it is. But this is all in the same function, so I don't have to do anything. Let's see. Please, what? Oh no. I don't know. Wait, it's way down now. Before it was higher. Did it change anything, really? Yeah, now it's way lower. I don't get it! No, I don't get it. Well, it somewhat works, maybe. Not really. Not really, because the body doesn't show. But because I didn't save. Also, the face is more on the right. Weird. Maybe I should do the opposite. Yeah, if the picture is not present, I need to move it the first time. Okay. That's probably the problem. I'm laughing because I don't understand the joke. Maybe I translated it in a wrong way, but no, just the joke didn't make sense. Just a kid taking some vitamins for the sister. He needs to choose between A, B, C, D, and the joke is the sister doesn't know how to read. But there's no reading letters, so I don't know. Okay, this is one problem fixed. The second is still why the character needs to move on the side. Let's see without zoom, but the zoom is not the problem. Yeah, the zoom is just to see where the character goes. Okay, I kinda get it. No, there's nothing to get. That's just an awful joke. Nothing to get at all. Okay, so the second that's right. That's right. Even if I need to apply these values the first time I draw the picture, I still draw the picture later when I update the face. The character changes face during the dialogue. So it's like a new image, a new picture. Still, I don't get why removing this one fixes something. I don't get why. I don't really get it. Also, I get those values from the function from before, so everything should be lined up. Okay, now I should start doing what I wanted. Removing the offset from the saved value. What I mean is, as I said, every time I draw a picture, I need to add a fully big offset. In this way, it will show on the screen. But if I add an offset, the game now thinks the image is outside of the screen, while instead it's in the screen, usually at least. So maybe I should just remove this value when I save, when the picture should be. In this way, on the screen I show a picture in a certain spot, which is not the right spot, and I save the actual right spot on this matrix, so I can use it later to draw everything as intended. It's the simple explanation. Where is it? Here, okay. So to ask, can you give us the most authentic Mamma Mia? Well, without exaggeration, it's Mamma Mia. But yeah, the Mamma Mia is the perfect Mario one. Well, perfect not, but the Mario one type of Mamma Mia. Or then there's the Mamma Mia, which is the song, which, well, it's another thing. Okay, what I wanted to do right now is every time I use the coordinates for a picture, I remove the extra value I place for fixing the plugin. How do? Let's see. I think I need to. Oh. Never mind. Okay. Different names. Please work. I should. I'm surprised. Let's see. Why it seems like it's not changing anything? I should probably. Where's the value again? I should probably set that these things applies every time. Yeah. Which it should. Maybe the second round I should add. I don't really get it. Why everything I do seems to not have any impact on the game. Satisfied I can die peacefully. Well, you can leave a little more to hear other Mamma Mia, so, you know. There's no rush, you know. I want to make an experiment. Well, programming is all about experimenting, so never mind. So, let's try to move the picture more on the right if at the second time it's drawn. So I still need the value a pic present. No, later, okay. On top of this, if the picture was already present before, I might add extra values. For now, let's go with another half. A random value, not really thought through. The first is fine, the second one? Wait. Oh, that's right! That's right! That's a negative value. If it's a negative, it will go on the upper right corner. It's negative. That means I should maybe subtract them, or not apply them at all. Maybe I should just subtract their entirety. Will it work? This is so stupid. This is so stupid. I'm adding values and then subtracting them if a condition is met. That's so stupid. At this point, I should just make a condition, like if if the pic is not present, then it will draw them. Let's see, without adding and subtracting every time. Yeah, it works the same way. So I don't really need this. Okay. It's less stupid now. Now it's less stupid. Let's remove the zoom and see how it works. Oh, no. Okay, and I need to activate each time the animation. That's kinda annoying, but I can do it with the programming easily. Still, let's see. Also, I feel that it will reset the cycling animation. Oh! That's right. That's right. What? Wait, no. No. Before it... No, this did work only because I used a default image. So... Actually, I need to remove this thing and move it every time. Okay, I think, though, that might be enough. I will add the zoom again, just in case. Where's my zoom? Here. The zoom will help us find missing pictures. It seems to work. I'm really surprised. Let's remove the zoom. Zoom out. It works. It just resets the breathing animation, but at least I probably fixed the problem. Let's experiment now with the other character. So I don't have extra poses for them for now. So for now it will do just a basic picture. Okay, let's see. The game should go like I don't know, this like this. Dialogue here. Let's place another dialogue of the hero. Let's see how it goes. Okay. Okay, that's the problem. Okay. Let's make a zoom out because I need to get what happens. Okay, here. Where everything goes. Okay. Oh! The body goes down, the face on the right. And then she goes on the right too. Okay! Why? Okay, the face stays there because it's not animated. The head... Yeah, everything should be animated. Just the face. For now I didn't animate it. Let's animate the face just for being... just to be true. It's the picture 7, probably. Let's see. Usually, how much time does it take to program a game? Depends on the game, is the obvious answer. Depends how much you want to make it longer, customize it, and for example, you might know how it. I'll Invalidate Your Aid, the game that Rain played. I made the base of the game in 1 week for a contest, and then I took a month to complete the game, and then some days after that to translate it in English, add some purgatories, drawings, special things, tricks. But because I Will Invalidate Your Aid is a short game that has just a bunch of rooms, has just a very simple gameplay. Technically, it's very simple gameplay. The hard programming part, maybe it's the the mini games and the getting who is playing the game. I love the trick. Other than that, it's a very simple game. This game is taking way longer because requires more thought. Because I'm thinking about the design of the characters, their personalities. Well, more complex personality than from any of my other games. Then it's a text-heavy based game, so I need to always think about funny ways to interact with the player. And also I need to interface with extra artists outside to get the graphics of my game. And also I need to work on the Steam page, which is open for like some days. I might spam here on Discord. Here's my game. Yeah, let's spam here on Twitch. I can. And the demo for the game is releasing probably tomorrow. It won't have this briefing effect if I can't complete it in time today, but I might try to add it to the demo because it's a very nice visual effect. And later I might add the blinking effect, but requires some graphics for it. At the end, though, I completed a game, more games in only a month because I had some sort of deadline. So weirdly, having a deadline helps a lot completing a game. That's why this one is taking forever. No, I did the base of this game in a month too. The rest is taking a lot. I don't know what to say aside from interesting. I find this cool. Cannot put it into words. Oh, thanks. I appreciate your feedback. And I feel like it's a similar feeling from the creator of the game, me. Because I too can't explain my game in words. It took me too long to find a way to describe my game on Steam. Because I can't find any sort of similar game, so I don't know how to approach with describing it. It's a game where you explore, but you die, more like some sort of troll game, and then there is a dialogue with the goddess of life. So it's some sort of exploration, a bit of trolling, and a visual novel part. Okay. We can suffer again now. Why is the head moving and not the body? Maybe because the second time I didn't apply the effect. 3, 4, 3, 4, 6, 7, 3, 4. I don't. Oh wait, that's true. The face has a different code here, which makes it float above the body without deforming it. But only changes the Y, not the X. Ah wait, but the X is under the face, right? Yeah, it is, okay. So actually the head is in the right place, but because of another code. So let's just think about the body. Okay, the body is moving down twice. I probably need to test those values. But for now, let's see if I can just remove Leven from the equation. And see if it's a single character problem or more. No, it's a problem only if I put more characters. Also, the head really should need to be higher. It's a problem only if I put more characters. Why? Oh yeah, I get why. Because each time maybe it's... I can't show it now probably, but... Wait, I have a video for it. Each time a character talks, the other one goes down. He talks and she goes down. But I take the wrong coordinates, and that means it will go more down than the usual. What will be your main focus in your tRB? Twitch programming or creating your own company or something else? I think I will hold this like a side project, because having it programming and developing as a main work, it's a distant dream, you can say. If it happens, I'm really happy, but it has to stay a side project for now. But would be pretty nice if I could find a way to make a living from it. But the indie game development world is full, very full. It's saturated. So making a new game that people will buy, it's a thing, but making a living out of it with this much indie games, I think it's a very hard task. Also, I need marketing. I don't even know where to start. I will make some attempts though. The problem: when the character goes down, it will go way down. Okay, because where is it? Okay, I might get it. Why? Oh, I have an idea. Okay. This moves the picture up instead of letting it go down, letting it sink. Only when drawing, changing picture. When I change face, when the character talks. That means maybe I should add this also when the face moves. At this point, I'm pretty lucky I did an event that is called every time I draw a picture, so I can completely change the values here. I can, every time I show a picture, tell the picture to stay up every single time I move or place a picture. So, pick X, pick Y. Okay. I hope it works. Let's see without a zoom. Seems pretty fine with some break. I saw a neck break, but I think that's it. Oh yeah, because the head needs to stays floating. Also, the head is still moves still too much. Yeah, the body goes down, but the head doesn't go down. Also, the hero doesn't go up. That's pretty unsettling. What kind of breath animation are you making? Is every other minor action this complicated as well? If it's painful, it is, but that's not the point. No, other things depends. This is the hardest so far because I'm not making it myself. Because, well, I think has some complicated things I don't know. So I'm using an extra plugin for it, which is picture effects probably. But the problem in this plugin is isn't that much I can customize a lot, so I'm trying to make my edits to make them fit his plugin, their plugin. I'm using basically external code for the breathing animation. I need to put in my code to make the pictures in the right place. Oh, I like how she's smiling, wait. I like how she's smiling like this. Okay, but I love the eyes very high. Let's see. I should add more dialogues to see what changes. I might make them repeat indefinitely, so we can see where it goes. Yeah, also there's a problem that as Leven does on the right, she goes down and up every time she talks. The hero doesn't. But maybe that's a problem of the options here. It doesn't seem so. Here, sorry, here. Doesn't seem to have different options. Yeah. In a way, why only the hero? Maybe I should have alternate one of each. I still don't get the problem. That smile is so cute. On top of programming, do you draw everything? No. I commission an external artist for these portraits because I'm not an artist. I draw the graphics for All'Invaligated Raid, but because I wanted to experiment with a personal art style. But no, I can't draw this well. I can't draw and program, unfortunately. Leven is working. Okay, let's try to make an edit right now, because I also need the head floating. Where is it? Here. Okay, this code is for making the hero's head float above the body, so to be attached. Otherwise it will float on its own. I need also to make it for the goddess of life. So now we see how it goes. Okay, for now it's weird, but because I need to attach the head to the face, like the heroes. So it's temporary. But no, only the hero seems to not return up after talking. The hero doesn't go up after talking, which is pretty weird. Why only the hero? Because maybe it's the first one that appeared. No, it can't be. Let's put Leven first. So she appears first without a face. Why the face didn't show? Still, she doesn't have the problem. Only the hero has the problem of going down. Does she have a face? She has. It's not showing. It's time for the zoom out. Zoom out, trick incoming. Well, not that I can see the face on the black background. I should put a visible face on the black background. Let's see the neutral one, it's fine. Yeah, okay. The face goes below. Why? Maybe because... because I'm using data of the face of the other character. That's why. I need to put an array here. For now, let's use this. Later, I will fix it better. For now, wait. This picture ID. Okay. Wait. I should have put comments in there. Well, for now, let's not think about it. For now, we almost are at the solution. Actually, I'm surprised I'm keeping the character someplace, the picture someplace. The only problem is the hero doesn't return up every time he talks and goes down. The face not going down is another problem, but I will think about it later. Yeah, I was too much optimistic at the start, thinking that I would figure it out only in one stream. Took me an hour to realize you look a lot different than your profile picture. You're more handsome Twitcher hits. Oh, thanks. Thanks. It's actually a profile picture from the basic generation of RPG Maker. It's a generated one from here. I don't even remember how to do it, but yeah, that's how I got the picture. Before, someone suggested me to find a different picture, not for the Twitch though, but for representing the brand at this point that I might create. But I still don't have any ideas. Yeah, it's a pretty old profile picture. I should probably change it. I still have the tail on the hair though. The profile picture shows it more clearly. I don't know where to start with the problem of the character not returning up. Well, actually, there's another problem. You see, Leven, don't mind the expression, goes down and darkens a little. The hero goes down but doesn't darken a little. So there's more than a problem, and they are probably linked together. It might be only one problem. It goes down but didn't decolor, lose color. Okay, so the losing color bit is here, tint picture. It's the only one? Yeah. This other one gives the colors. This one is the right one that removes colors. And doesn't apply only when I activate one of those parameters, which I didn't activate, so I don't get why it's happening. On Leven, maybe on Leven, let's see. Oh wait, no, that's a Leven problem. I added parameters that lets others keep their coloring. I don't know why. Let's see. Although from one moment to another you look good. Bird's also fine. Oh, thanks. My granddad told me last time I need to cut it to seem more professional, but I really don't want to. So I really appreciate that. Okay, we found the problem. It was just a parameters problem, at least for that. Perfect. Yeah, the only other problem is on the same one. Oh, still, thanks for the compliment. The only problem is I always stays home, so I don't have many opportunities for social interactions. And even if I did, I'm not that good on coming up with arguments to talk about, so that's pretty unfortunate on my part. But thanks a lot for the compliment again. Okay, we fixed the small problems. Now it's barely fine, vaguely fine. We still have the problem of the head not going down. That's actually the only problem. Then it's perfectly fine. Okay, I'm surprised still it's going this well. Might look stupid asking, but why don't you put the body and the head in the same sprite? Okay, that's actually a good question, because as you see from Leven, don't mind the eyes. She's not moving that much. Still, wait. Let me make her move a little more. Oh wait, no, we show it directly. I will. Can I just? Do I have a? I don't have a basic image. I'm unfortunate. Oh well. I will give her extra animation. Okay. Because the animation doesn't work that well on the head. As you can see, the head gives a really, I don't know, I don't like how the head also moves with the body. When you breathe, usually it's the chest that goes up and down. The head just doesn't change. The head doesn't change sides. It only goes up and down. So that's why I usually don't like this. So that's why you can see on the right, the body changes sides while breathing, but the head still is the same. You can see the difference between the two because I didn't implement it on Leven on the right for now, and you can see seems more natural on the left. Well, except that the head moves a little too much. I still have to fix that. I like more the effect on the left. So it also feels more, I don't think original is the term, but a little more natural than a picture just extending up and down. Yeah, I mean, watching the hero moving the head up and down makes me like it more. The only problem with this is I need to cut the face from the rest. And I will have a problem separating the head with the hair from the body for now. Neat. Aside from that, what else needs to be done? In general, you mean, or just in this part of the programming? Well, in general, it's still a lot. While in this compartment of briefing department, I still need to make the head move with the body. Then I need to fix the parameters of the floating head because it's a little goes a little higher than it should. Also, I should remove some randomizing from the plugin because sometimes if it's too much random it will go up or down. But the main fix I need to do now is just make the head move down. I think that's the main part. Yeah, the second thing is, as you can see, every time the hero acts, the head squishes a little. Unfortunately, and now it got way random and it squished a lot. I need to remove the squishing of the pictures, not briefing. I use the plugin on the head even if I don't want to get it squished, because I need a way to make it float up and down without going pixel perfect. RPG Maker, this engine has a lot of problems. One of them is when you use default commands, you can't move a picture between sub-pixel, and so when you do small effects like this one, it's awful if you don't use a plugin. But I don't know how to do it while programming, so I'm using another plugin. I tried without a plugin before, but it was awful to see because of the sub-pixels. I tried to do it myself, but I wasn't that lucky. It requires more knowledge about showing not sprites, more like I don't know. There was a way to show pictures in sub-pixels. I will just edit the plugin later at this point. Oh, don't worry, I'm always happy to talk about my game. Always happy. What inspired you to get into programming? Ooh. Into programming in general, I think it was... it was of course RPG Maker. I started with RPG Maker because I dreamed of making a game with me as protagonist and the other boys from my class, because like 99% of the game developers started with a self project which was awful at the end. And after that I started slowly learning how to program inside the game, because I wanted to make something extra. But even before, I still liked programming in the informatic lessons in my school. So I think I liked programming even before, just because maybe I liked math, or I liked logic puzzles in general. I think it all started from logic puzzles. I played Professor Layton after all. While how I got specifically on RPG Maker, that's another story. Okay, we can fix this last problem. We might even think to call it a day. Maybe. The problem is, as you can see, the face doesn't go up or doesn't go down with the body. It goes left, but just because it follows the base. So wait, if it follows on horizontally, it can also follow vertically, right? Wait, sounds easy. Maybe. Because I only changed the Y. If I change the X, it should be easy, right? What value should I use? I forgot what T stands for. I should add more comments. I say it every time. I remember when I had my programming phase and I took a course. I spent most of the time copying codes from the internet. I still do. Wait, there's an extra step now. Sometimes I also ask ChatGPT. Yeah, for example, yeah, ChatGPT also gives a lot of helpful insights. Not always, but sometimes gives nice ideas. For example, I wanna build the gate. I don't know if you followed the stream of Renelun for it, but in the last part, the entire screen goes black. Not just the game, the computer. That was a trick from ChatGPT. The rest, though, was still a hard part programming. Also because that specific trick was a console command trick. No, worse. The entire screen that goes black was how it's called, a shell, Windows shell, how it's called. So I needed to call from RPG Maker the command control and then the Windows shell, or how it's called, to call that specific part. Wow. ChatGPT is the god. Yeah, it's very useful. I'm surely not using it every time, but when I need help, I will ask for help. Because it's free, for now. Remember the stream. Oh, okay, that's awesome. Okay, so I can talk about the game without a problem. We still do. Oh, fun fact, I was still pondering if I wanted to place... I wanna invalidate your raid on Steam for free, just for get more visibility. Because I should try attempt a lot of things for marketing for this game, so maybe we'll do. Okay, this is the scale, so I don't need this value. I just need... What is this value? Why? This takes this value. But I need the value... This moves based on the other one. Wait. Yeah, this thing in a way overrides the other movement. Every time I want the characters to go down, the head should move down. That's in the code. But this thing in a way overrides the movement. Which is a problem. That means... Wait, but it still goes on the left, right? It still moves backwards. It still moves on the left, the head, even if it doesn't move down. So why? If I set... random value here. Okay, let's... Oh, no, wait. This big data. I think it's the width. Okay. Okay, so it's... I don't think that's the right value. Just to experiment. Yeah, I would have guessed. I need also, yeah, the sides, because the picture is half the original size in the game. They're watching each other. It's incredible. Two heads on the other. It's going diagonally. Yeah, because also scales with sides. With oh, interesting. Interesting. Doesn't move an inch when the body goes down. That means placing values here override. Okay, so I have an idea. I could steal this value in the other script, in the other code. I should, yeah. Okay, so no, can I? Maybe I should use some. This is more complex than it seemed. I noticed how alike their faces look. Are they similar? Well, at the start the artist used the same base, but then I asked him to change it. Actually, not that much. The faces are different. The eyes too, at the end. The color maybe, but because Leven still has some sort of blue-purple eyes. Ooh, another bad translated joke. Okay. Let's go then. Original hand shifts. An elephant asks worried her mom. Mom, is it right that you have a big nose? In English, the elephant... No, sorry, I don't know how it's called. Okay, the trunk. Proboscid. Ah, it's proboscid. Trunk. Okay. He's talking about the elephant's trunk. Mom, it's true that I have a enormous proboscid? No, little one. But now go clean it. Go clean your trunk. The tablecloth is in the second drawer. I'm sorry for taking this long, but I still need to learn how to translate some words in English, like tablecloth. I didn't know it. Or like proboscid. The joke here is that yeah, the proboscid is very big, so that he needs a tablecloth for cleaning it. Oh well. That's pretty stupid. Yeah, okay, the problem, at the end, the problem is this one overrides. So... I have a little idea, but I don't think how much doable it is. Well, actually, I just need to copy the coordinates of the other picture, right? I might just need to copy the other coordinates. No, the problem is... No, wait. How does this override the movement while all the others doesn't? It doesn't make sense. Did I save? Let's see. Let's update. Okay. Why this override the movement, but this doesn't? Maybe only the... No, it can't be only the Y. Let's see if I place EX here, what happens? Okay. And it goes down. It doesn't go right. It's the opposite. before it went right but didn't go down. So it's some sort of override. Okay, so maybe I have an idea. I don't know if that's a good idea, but I will take this value. Picture position rem member. It shouldn't find empty values because I always call this first. So I can call it without a problem, hopefully. I will never get tired of this. Thanks, I'm happy you appreciate Italian jokes. I don't, so at least there's someone finding them funny. Or at least intriguing. Well, I find them intriguing too, but not in the best possible way. Okay, I maybe know what to do. I should try. I will get from this. No, wait. I have two ways to get the coordinates of the picture. The first is the original one. So, where is it? Here. Game screen picture ID .x. That's the standard way to get the coordinates. Let's try. So, the Y position needs to change based on the head, on the body. So I might try to force no. I don't know, I should try to move it based on the body. So I might add I really want. Oh wait, what did I? Oh no, I didn't intend to make it appear. With the plus I make it appear. Oh, yeah, I never implemented it fully, unfortunately. I made it want to entertain. Badly translated jokes are my kryptonite. Oh, that's awesome. Awesome. Luckily you're not a spike on the side. Sorry, I was thinking about... now, when you talk about badly translated jokes, I'm still thinking about my game because I made this game in Italian and English, and another person offered to translate it in Spanish. So now I have to 3 languages to localize my jokes, and it's kinda hard in some ways. Like, how do you translate acting out of spite, but with a spike? So acting out of spike in Italian or in Spanish. It took me half an hour to come up with a Spanish joke for it. But still fun to localize jokes instead of just removing them. I hate when they remove jokes in translation. You just need to adapt it in another way. Okay, let me do it right here. Let's get picture position rem, the value coordinate y of the picture tree, the second value. Let's see what happens. I think it will go way down. Oh no, it's not a find. But it has to be global. Let's try with this one, the default one. At least this work, please. What do you mean? Properties of the... Did I get something wrong? Ah, there's no picture. There's no picture. For now. No problem. Let's see. Just make a check. If... where is it? Here. If this one is different from undefined, I will take the value. Pick other pick y equal to the value. The second value, perfect. Otherwise it's 0. Okay, so I sum it at the end. And see at least now what happens. Ah, it's not even defined. Oh well. Let's make another condition here. I hope this works. If it exists. You can make it Spanish translation yourself. Just make the code to add an S after every Italian word. You're right. Why didn't I think about it? It's still kind of hard to program, I feel like. Also because I'm using... unfortunately, there is some plugin in this infamous Visu Stella plugin. Because it's very useful, but the code is obfuscated. So you can't... it's very hard to get what to change. So the text part is controlled by those codes. Unfortunately though, unfortunately. Oh, hi Paul! How are you doing? I'm watching you. I would say the characters would watch you too, but they are not here yet. So, not for now. Unfortunately, I guess... Wait, I can check if there is a picture though. If there is a picture, there might be the variable. Where do I check? Here. If the picture is not null, means it's existing. And if it's existing, there's probably the code for it. No, there's not. Never mind. Oh well. Oh well. Let's just set it as the picture coordinates. That's the simplest way. Please do, please work. Where's the head now? I guess it's way down. We can make a zoom. Oh, I'm not here. Here. We can make a zoom to find it, probably. Zoom, please show us the way. No, it's up there. Why? Ah, yeah, because the picture has a lot of negative values now. Because of the plugin. So I need to remove a lot, like 1000. Literally, no, it's too much. 6000 now. I will see later if I can find a better way, but for now, here it is. Where's the head? The head is not there anymore. Ah, I'm stupid. I need removing values, make it go even more up, more north. I'm good. How is Monica? Pretty good, thanks. I She sang last time I saw her. She sang me everything I want for Christmas is you. I'm serious. Also, it's working. I don't need the zoom anymore. The head is going down. I just need to find the correct value. Let me remove the zoom out. Where do you position RAM? I joked about it too, but it's more like remember. Funny, because no one remembers RAM or RAM. I'm confusing the two. Okay. The main problem is gone. The head does goes down with the rest. The problem is still... Wait. Yeah, the problem is... well, there are still a bunch of problems. The first is... the head still gets squished. Second, there's random. So sometimes the head might be detached, while others it's way down. For now, yes, you can say now the head is way down. There's random in it. For now, I think I need to add at least 10 pixels just to make it fill the gap. The face creepy. Yeah, unfortunately, some parts of the game development you have to pass through some creepy phases. It's working way better now. It's working way better now. Still, as you can see, the hero space now is completely squished down. I want to remove the random from it. How, though? I have an idea, which is... I don't know if I put a breath effect of 0. I would love to say that it doesn't work, but it's not that easy. As you can see, it's even worse. No, never mind. Still has some squish though. If I reset it, we go... well, yeah, you can see there's a pretty heavy squish now. So maybe it's the random starting squish, probably. I need to remove some random. Here's the random. But we got the main problem actually. I'm just focusing on the hero. Leven doesn't have the detached head. Still weird that yeah, the face. Okay, that's the second another problem. The Leven's face is following the hero, not Leven, because on how I coded this part. This part uses the value of picture 3, even for the 7. But I think that's easier said than done. We just use this picture ID -1. The previous picture is the body. And that solves this little problem. Weird that this one works for both. Ah no, maybe it doesn't. Okay, well, I can make an array for it too. At least now Leven has the face which almost follows her correctly. Almost. Now the only thing left, or the main thing left is to remove the randomizing of the starting point and the starting squish. Otherwise, it gets too squished and or the head feels detached or too close. How do we remove the random? Good question. After we solve the random, maybe we end the stream. Because, well, we did a lot of work today. A lot. Doesn't seem a lot, but it actually is. Okay, it's Mog picture effect, probably. Is it? Maybe it's character motions. I forgot. Oh, this is Spanish, as I said. Sistema de animaciones de sprites de personajes. As I said, yeah, same as Italian. Let's see. No, it's not that one. It's picture effect. It is, okay. So, even if maybe the random is just here, which I just saved. Wait, if name includes face, there's a max range. Wait, let's test this. What's happen if I set the max range to 0? Nothing. Wait, that's actually pretty good. Because I make another condition. Else, if I don't know, for now let's use this. Then I will optimize how I coded it. Same thing. Doesn't get a squish animation, neither the static part. Let's see. Is still getting squished? Yeah, it's getting squished. Is it? Yeah. It shouldn't. I set it to 0. Let's try again. No, it still does the starting squish. But then they stop. Okay. Because there's the random in the middle. We just removed the random, is it? How do I remove the random? Here's some random, so that's probably it. SP, what's SP? Okay, okay. The range is the random thing. Let's see what happens if I set the range as 0. Probably nothing, that's how 0 works usually. Okay, as you can see, everyone is coordinated. No, they started wait. Never mind. Also, the eyes now move together again. Ah, no, the eyes are still linked to the hero. Never mind. Maybe the range determines the starting point. Let's see. I should make them appear together. Maybe let me just get the hero slightly down to see if that solves everything. Almost, at least. Does seem to work. Yeah, does seem to work. There's no random now on the face. Neither in the body, but I might add it later. Now it's not a problem. Okay, okay, perfect. I don't know if there's a squish on the face though. Oh wait, doesn't seem to be. No, because I set it to 0. Okay, perfect, perfect. Okay, the hero is perfect. Leven, little less, but I have to work on it. Because I need the separate picture. I need to separate the head from the body. I'm feeling sleepy. Call it tomorrow. Thank you for being patient with me. No, really, there's no problem. Thank you for staying by. Really, I really appreciate it. I wish you success in the coding. Good evening. Oh, thanks a lot. Good evening, you too. See you next adventure. So, I hope. Good sleep. Oh, I like that you are using the the Oria emoji. Perfect. I think though we did everything for today. We could go sleep too, maybe. We just care about the left part for today. And it's doing pretty good. Pretty damn good. We have a last experiment to do. Which I'm scared, pretty scared. But let's go. It's the change pose. First, let's make the hero have 2 dialogues together. To set up. Okay, there's still a problem, which is if someone has 2 dialogues, it resets everything. No? It doesn't. Yeah, it resets the positioning of the head, which is kinda weird. But the biggest problem maybe is the animation of change. I don't have another one. Oh, well, for now. For now, let's use another pose. And we'll see the problem. The animation of the changing pose might be a problem. Let's see. Let's see. It flew away! I knew it, I knew it, I knew it. Ciao. I see you finally managed to make the head and body move at the same time. Yeah, I'm too late, too early to speak. Now everything is working. I just need a little thing. A little thing. I just hope I can find this little thing. Okay, I think we need to go to see the animation. The entire body goes up though. Because it's working on scale. Ugh. No, that's what I dreaded. Ah. I want the change pose animation. Is he breathing? He isn't moving. Wait, maybe I didn't apply the... Wait. I get what's wrong. Maybe we can solve it. It's all... The problem is all... Somewhere. Of course, somewhere. Here? It's here. Okay, the problem is here. So, first of all, just to say it better, let's add an ungodly amount of numbers here to see where the problem exactly stands. Okay, maybe a little too ungodly. Okay, Okay, okay. Okay, that's pretty simple. Hero is ascending! Woo! The problem is actually here. Oh wait! This is not updated. Wait. I didn't update this value. Okay. Maybe it was just that. Or maybe. The changing animation pose. Okay. That's not completely solved, but still reasonable. This thing, this function, what does it do? Every time a character changes pose, like from talking here or here, doesn't just instantly change the image, but does a small animation, goes down and goes up with a pose change, just to make it seem more dynamic. That means, while changing animation, they reset the picture. So when I reset the picture, because I use another picture, I need to apply instantly the briefing animation, because it's the briefing animation that moves the character way down or way up. So I need to call the plugin in the script. Okay, let's try. We need to call both breath effect. For now, let's go only with 3. Well, actually, we can do both. Okay, so let's make a high level. I want to save to. Wait, let me share this event so I can save it. No, not this one, not this one. No, never mind. The other one. I share it on Discord so I can save it. Okay. Because I might need those values later. Okay. So, I need to call the plugin in the midst of changing picture. Here. So, every time I add a picture, I need to call a plugin. I don't remember how I do it, so let's copy it from the rest of the code. I'm pretty sure I call a plugin every time I show a picture, because I change the... Here it is. I change the sound of the text based on the character. Here. Plugin manager, call command. Where's the code? I lost the code. I left an error. It can't be unnoticed. Plugin. Let's see. Here it is. Okay. Okay, let's call this plugin. So, it's called... It's finally dead. More like double dead. Okay. And now we need to copy those parameters. So, mog picture effects. And we need to call the breath effect. And then the parameters. I need the name of the parameters. Let's see. ID. The name is this thing in parentheses. Mode, okay. Okay, the ID of the picture is the image ID. +1. Apparently. Why +1? Why +1? If the images are 2. I don't trust it, let's place the base value. Then we need the animation mode. Do I need to write in the entirety? Let's go. Vertical and horizontal. And then the power. Let's go with 30. Okay. I hope it works. No, wait, I need to place the power 0 for the head. For now, let's put it in this way. Let's see if it works for now. No. But it's not briefing, so I maybe messed up something. What exactly? Let's check the code directly here. Break effect. Up, up, up. Motion. No. Wait. Ah, that's not the right one. Okay. Here. Okay. Okay, that's the name. Then I want the name. Damn it. Do I? Wait, because... let me do a quick check. I called here... I already wait, I have copied it. The change command. From the TO plugin. Let's see, change. Yeah, okay. I need the name, not the text. Okay, okay. I get it. That's what I got wrong. No, no, not here. Okay. So the right name is... no, the right name is set breath effect. The rest should be fine. I will remove the zoom. We don't need it. Oh! Wait. Okay. Okay, we got... okay. I get a problem. Because we didn't want to do image ID +1. For some reason it's +1. Let's make +1. Not briefing. Leven giving me hair. Actually, I was thinking about making a joke about briefing. Oh! Now it's only the head. Wait, one or another? Can you take both? Can't you just take both? Why not both? Let's see which it calls. Image ID. Okay. Just to be sure. Three, which is 3 is the body. And 3 is the body again. 3 body again. Cause the body thrice? Why? It costs the body thrice. Wait. Ah, no, never mind. My bad. My bad. I'm stupid. I read this plus I as a +1, and I thought, why +1 if I need to take if the image ID is for the image? I'm stupid. This is an I, not a 1. I forgot everything programming-wise in a moment. Now it should work. Here, perfect. You can see double hair, but it's because of the basic sprite. Perfect. We did a change animation. We will see it again. Woo! Let's remove the alert so we can see it maybe smoother. It's kind of weird, or is it me? The change is weird now. Still fine, but No, I think it's still fine. Maybe... I don't know, it seems... Still fine, but different. Oh wait, is it because I have different origin points? Wait. No, it's still 0. No, okay, the origin point of the picture is always 0. So there's no problem. Let's just check real quick. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, it's 0. Nice. No problems here. Okay, so we did it. With a spriting animation, doesn't seem to bug out that much. I should test the entire game. There should be problems if I test the entire game like this. Okay, we need to do a last addition actually. Which is... Oh wait, we can do it here right away. We need to call this... Not here. But every single time we draw an image. So we can directly apply it without even calling it in game. So. Briefing effect. Let's also check if pick name different than -1. It means if it's not -1, it will have a name, so it's a new image. And every time I set a new image, I need to set an effect. The power is not always 30. Well, for now, let's keep it 30. Image ID. Pick ID, sorry. Mode. Okay, we got it. We got it. Now it's applied to every single image of the characters. So let's see. Well, first of all, let's test it without those things. Okay. Let's test without the plugin, because now the plugin is inside the show picture plugin. Well, not really. It's way worse. What happened? Why? Why? Oh, wait. No. Oh, I'm sorry. I applied it before showing the picture. That's the problem. Okay, never mind. Here. We need to apply it later. If breathing effect and oh well, the hand is pick name and the picture name different -1, then we call the command. Okay, let's see now again. Okay, perfect, perfect. Oh yeah, we can't retest it because the game, I didn't set up the base head for everyone, like Leven in this case. Still, let's try. Let's see. Let's go with continue, so we can skip the start. Where should we die? Here. No text because I wanted to do the trailer. Okay. Okay. We still need to fix her eyes, but the breathing effect for now seems to work. Yeah, that's why I wanted that separate from the rest, because it's unnatural. Also, well, you can notice that temporarily I made the face a square above the base portrait. Also another problem, wait, no, not really. Yeah, another thing I want to fix, but I have a parameter for later. It's a little exaggerated, the effect. The effect is a little exaggerated. Yeah, no, I don't like how much they are moving. I will reduce a lot of the effect, but I will still keep it. But we did something pretty useful today for the game. Pretty big, pretty huge. It took an entire stream and another one before maybe, but having the briefing animation is a really good thing for the game. So I'm pretty happy we did it without a lot of problems. We got problems, but we solved them in 2.5 hours, so not really a problem if you can solve it. Right? Okay. Okay, I will fix outside of stream the rest that needs to be fixed. Namely, the heads of the character needs to be cut off. I'm really sorry, but you can revive how many times you want. And reduce the effect. I will see whatever I can do. For now, I think that's everything. I'm pretty happy on what we've done, so that's everything. Let's see if we can ride someone. I don't know. We don't have enough raid power, maybe, for some people. So we might end it right there. Oh well. So we will resume working on Respawn Banter in 2 weeks. Next week we will go with everyone else, the game. Well, tomorrow we play some on Star Rail because, well, it's a long time I don't play it in stream and I need to do something in stream, okay? Oh well, thanks a lot for coming by then. And I will see ya whenever happens.